everyone. This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And today's video was just going to be a little mix match of stuff because I haven't got nothing done on the tribute build for Veronica. So hopefully within the next few days, when I can get chance, when I'm not working, get it finished up. But this video is aimed towards Keith from Ireland. Everybody knows Keith. Keith's models and RCs is going to be for him. But before we get started on all that, this is going to be a mail call, a small stash ad, and then it pertains to my next video too. So, alright guys, stick around and let's see what the fun's going to be all about. But before I get started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank y'all. But for y'all, I would not have a channel. Alright, with that being said, let's do mail call first. Alright, mail call. I got this in the mail. And this is from my buddy. I'm gonna leave his card. I'm gonna put a picture of his card in this so y'all can check it out. Jim Folkers, and he's from J&B or JBJ Dirt Track Bodies. And here's his card. I'm gonna have a picture of it that way y'all can see if y'all want to get a hold of him. He specializes in resin dirt track car bodies and stuff. And he contacted me and asked me if I wanted a couple of bodies. And I said, sure, I'll build them. I don't know when, but I'll eventually get around to building them. And so here they are. It's got a good casting on it. Looks pretty dang good. It's not warped. Just got some flash you'll have to trim off. Anybody that works with resin, it's not that hard to work with. Just clean it real good. Do your clean up, priming, a lot of sanding, you know, but they'll turn out and be really nice. So there's the first one. I guess that's a modified or late model. Like I said, I don't do much those type cars, but I will for this. And this in here is a Pontiac J series or whatever body. Like I said, you know, hey, I'll try them. I'll build them. Thank you very much, Jim. And if y'all want to try his bodies, contact him. The description will be below. And get a hold of him for your dirt track specialty needs. Alright, so that was mail call. Okay, and then before I get started on Keith and everything, I always tell y'all, I was taking my wife to her infusions today. She goes, you know, up there to Northwest Arkansas, gets her infusions. And I always stop in at the antique shops or flea markets up there. And sometimes, you know, you score, sometimes you don't. Well, today I got 3 cars. I thought I did pretty good for the price. And here's the first one. This one here, flea market find. It is a 71 Plymouth Duster 340. It's opened. Never been touched. Everything's still sealed. I give $10. Okay. Y'all gonna hear me say that again. Alright. The second car I got, this was from the same booth. I did see some other stuff, but I didn't feel like buying the it was a Airfix Russian battleship or something. Maybe I'll get it next time if it's still there. Like I said, you know, I didn't get it this time. Maybe next time, I don't know. But this one here is a 74 Torino Cobra. So that would have had the 429, 26, whatever they call it. What is that? 429 Cobra Jet. And like I said, same booth and everything. Never been touched. You know, the box is open, but everything's sealed inside. Still sealed. Decals, everything perfect. $10. Y'all gonna get tired of hearing me say $10. $10. So, needless to say, the next one I bought for $10. So, you might as well say I got 3 kits for a regular price kit today. So, and here's the last one I got. This one right here, that's the one that really caught my eye, was the Iowa Shaker. This would have been, let's see, who was the driver on this? Hubert Platt. That is a 64 or 65 Falcon altered wheelbase. And here it is. That's the old Model King box art. You can see right there. Which this just got reissued, maybe not the decals, but in the drag combo, the Galaxy Falcon and trailer, which I got a couple of them. But shoot, yeah, I'll take those anytime at $10. And like I said, this one's same way, guys. Still sealed on the inside. $10. Always hit your flea markets and antique shops. I hear everybody say, I don't ever find nothing. Well, you're not hitting them enough, because they change vendors all the time. Yes, I might go in there the next time I'm up there and they not have a dang thing. And it might be like that for a little bit, but you got to check every time you're there, because then somebody comes in and there you go. Alright. This one's going to pertain to my next video. This one will be sometime during the week, so it'll give y'all time to react to this video. Alright, y'all like my vintage unboxing of the Rebel, the Johan AMC Rebel? Well, we're going to play a little game with this one right here. It's whoever can guess the first color, the color that this car is going to be, because Johans are notorious about being molded in all different wild colors. So, I just want to see if anybody can guess it and who'd be the first one to guess it. Just in the comment section of this video, comment what color you think the 64 Cadillac hardtop Coupe de Ville will be. And then I will, when I'm unboxing it on the next video, I'll say who got it right. There it is. Y'all can see this is still sealed. This is a mint kit. And you're right, I am going to destroy the value of this mint kit, because all models are meant to be built. So my next video will be sometime during the week, and this will be it. I will be doing a vintage unboxing of the Johan 64 Cadillac Coupe de Ville hardtop. So like I said, it'd be interesting to see who gets it right. Alright, now this video is mainly geared towards Keith. Y'all can watch, because it's an old build. It's the build needs to be restored. It's, you know, and everything. But this is Keith. This is his card. Most of y'all know who he is. But if you're subscribed to me and not subscribed to him, please, I encourage you to get over there and subscribe to my Irish brother, Keith Models and RCs. And this is his shop card. Get over there and check him out. Alright, now, me and him were talking about the Talieri, or not the Talieri, I'm sorry, the TAMIYA FIAT 131, ABARTH, however you want to say it, rally car. And he said he had just got this kit, and I told him I had it too. Alright, this is brand new, not even been opened. Matter of fact, I think this was a Father's Day or Christmas present from my son a couple years back. So it's never been touched. We're talking about it, and I got to tell him I've got the original version from back in the 80s or whenever it was it come out, and it's the Italia FIAT 131 ABARTH Rally, and the Italia, whatever is that, I'm not for sure what that livery is, what exactly Italia is, but y'all can tell me if you know. I don't know if it's an airlines or what it is, I don't know. But that's the sponsor, that's the car. And now this is built, like I said, I kept the box to it. But I'm going to turn this around and show you Keith, and let you look at it and see what you think about it. Like I said, it's a very old build. I mean, that was built some time ago. It's so long ago I don't remember exactly. It had to be sometime in the early 90s or so when I built it. So and I've kept it all these years. So I'll turn this around and let y'all see it. Alright, Keith, here you go. This is my TAMIYA FIAT right here. This was built so long ago that the clear coat, this car was white. If you see it now, it looks like it's yellowed. It is so yellowed. It needs to have a good restore. That body needs to be taken off and stripped and buy decals for it again. Just redo it. But it is so yellowed. But that's it. The little trunk opens up. You can see it's got the fuel cell, spare tire, battery, and all. And see, now these days I would have taken that stuff like that and I'd kind of wired it, plumbed it up, or done something to it. So that was an old build right there. Let's see, the engine. If I can get it. Oh, that's right. It opens like this. Take it off this turntable here. Open this thing back up for you. There is the engine on it. Like I said, that was built some time ago. It has the two figures in here, and so I should have put a clipboard. Should have made a clipboard for the the navigator here to have, and I didn't do that. But there they are. They're painted. I don't know if you'll be able to see the eyes, the face. Boy, that's some good painting, ain't it? I don't think so. But let us see if it'll focus. You can see in there. I wish I'd have left the body where you could take it off. It might still do that. I don't know. I might not have glued it in. Oh, but I don't know. It sounds like I did. I don't want to break nothing. There's the bottom of it. The wheels turn. Yeah, they still turn. It's just an old build. Like I said, I got another one to do a do-over with. It's a different livery. And there's actually 3 of these cars. There's also the blue and white one in 120 scale. And so maybe one of these days I can get it. But this one here seriously need of a... And my decals, you know, you can see how bad the decals are on it. But there's the front view. The back view. I mean, it's a cool kit. It's just, like I said, it's been in my cases for a long time. And it is what it is. There you go, Keith. You wanted to see it. And guys, the Corvette. This is all I've gotten done so far. Just mocking it up. Still got to wire the engine. Still got to finish building the engine. I did get carpet. Can you see it? I got carpet in there. Still got to have all the detail painting. But that's really all I've gotten done, guys. All you guys that are going to the Acme show, I'm jealous. I want to see videos for sure. And I want you guys that go down there to go to the swap meet part of it and find some old vintage kits and haggle them down. I'd like to see that video. I'd like to see you do that. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya.